Good morning, travelers. Thank you for tuning back into the channel. My name is Jungle Skipper Darius, and this is Jungle Skipper Darius channel. I'm here at Magic Kingdom, getting ready to rewrite Tron, because if you guys know, in my last video, about 2 weeks ago, a week ago, I tried to film it, and yeah, my GoPro kind of just died. So now I got better, upgraded GoPro, new battery, and everything else. So let's do this.
Users, prepare for upload sequence. Remember, hold on, keep your head up, and face forward. Detecting malicious code, no concern.
I am Master Control and have taken over. Your new directive, spread my code throughout the grid. Do so or be depressed. Launch in 3, 2, 1. Excellent work. The grid is now mine.
Negative, malicious code neutralized.
No!
Great work, Team Blue. Your run helped us track and eliminate his program.